Hey, so if you want to bring data from files, websites, or other spreadsheets into Google Sheets, yeah, importing data is a key skill. In this guide, I'll show you how to import data into Google Sheets step by step in 2026. First, open Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet. Click on File in the top menu. Now choose Import from the drop-down menu. You can upload files like Excel, CSV, or TXT from your computer or Google Drive. Decide whether to create a new sheet, replace current sheet, or insert data into existing sheet. Click Import Data and Google Sheets will load your file automatically. CSV files are commonly used and import very cleanly into Google Sheets. You can also use the IMPORTRANGE formula to pull data from another Google Sheet. Use the IMPORTHTML or IMPORTDATA functions to pull data from websites. After importing, clean your data by fixing columns, formatting text, and removing duplicates. And yeah, that's it. That's how you import data into Google Sheets and organize information quickly in 2026.